In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to a Facebook page. This is an essential skill for anyone managing a business or community page on Facebook, as it allows you to share responsibilities and manage your page more effectively. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Facebook account. Make sure you're using the account that has admin rights to the page you wish to modify. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Meta Business Suite. This is Facebook's comprehensive tool that helps you manage your Facebook and Instagram business accounts in one place. You can easily find the Meta Business Suite from the left-hand menu on your Facebook homepage. Once the Meta Business Suite has loaded, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. There you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on that to proceed. This section is where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your Facebook page, including page roles, which is what we're going to focus on today. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option called Invite People. Click on this and a new window will pop up. This is where you can invite someone to become an admin on your page. You'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure it's the email address associated with their Facebook account for the invitation to work smoothly. After entering the email address, you'll see a section where you can choose the level of access you want to grant. Since we're adding an admin, you want to ensure that you select the admin role. This gives them the highest level of access, allowing them to manage roles and settings, edit the page and add apps, create and delete posts, send messages as the page, respond to and delete comments and posts to the page, remove and ban people from the page, and create ads. Once you have set up the information and chosen the level of access, click on Give Access. The person you've invited will receive a notification on their Facebook account and an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation. They'll need to accept the invitation to complete the process and be added as an admin to your page. And there you have it. You've successfully added an admin to your Facebook page. This process allows you to share management duties and ensure your page operates smoothly even if you're not available. Remember, it's important to choose your admins wisely as they will have significant control over your page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your online presence.